So exhaust is on, there's not much of it, and this is the part where we're gonna have to make a few modifications. And the exhaust goes straight to here now, and the part that you get with Miltech is this. So this would go like that, and then you would have 2 exhaust tips like these, which are actually quite nice exhaust tips. They would go on like that and shoot out the back, and that actually looks pretty cool. But we have no need for these exhaust tips, and only, well, not really any need for these. This is the solution. So, Design 911, I contacted them again and said, right, I need to convert my exhaust from a 718 Cayman S to a GT4. So they do this kit here, which goes on the stock exhaust. So this is for a stock exhaust, not a Miltech. Sits sort of around like that, and then you get exhaust tips, which sit, yeah, like, oh, these could be quite far back, you know. So we've got to make something out of the Miltech and this thing from Design 911 to make this thing work with a new diffuser.